Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Generative Code Art. I hope this video finds you well. In my last video, I have created a design using line or curves. So in this video, I am going to create a simple design only through lines without any curve. And the visuals for the same is here. So let's start with the code. As in my previous video, I have explained each and every line, so in this video, without wasting your time, let's move toward the function created inside script tag. But before moving forward, if you have any doubt in the above body tag, then please visit my previous video and the link for the same is mentioned in the description below. Inside the script tag, before writing the function, I have declared the canvas object, a context object of 2D type, 2 color array, and 1 control variable R. As of now, I am done with all the variable declaration, so let's move inside the function. Inside the function, first of all, I have used clearRect method to clear the canvas each time. Click on the button defined above in the body tag. After that, I am going to write 2 for loops for replicating the pattern horizontally or vertically. Inside the for loop, I am going to use stroke style property to set the stroke color used for designing the pattern and stroke rect method to draw the grid lines. As of now, we are ready with the code written for the grid. So save it and see the changes in the browser by clicking on to the button. Now I am going to use begin path method to mark the beginning of the pattern. Now the time is to write the coordinate points for the top left quadrilateral using move to and line to function. As of now, the coordinate writing for the first quadrilateral is completed, so save the code and see the first quadrilateral in the browser. Similarly, I am going to write the code for the bottom right quadrilateral. These coordinate points are the corner points of the quadrilateral, so don't worry much about these points. After writing, just save the code and click the button in the browser to see the 2 blocks generated in the pattern. Till now, 2 blocks are ready, so let's move toward the third block. The third block is the bottom left block of the pattern, so after writing the coordinate points of 4 corners of the quadrilateral, save the code to see the changes in the browser. At last, I am going to write coordinate points for the fourth, the top right block of the pattern. So save the coordinate points and see the changes in the browser. As so far, the skeleton of the pattern is completed. Now the time is to fill color in them. Here I have used two colors to fill the block alternatively, defined in two different arrays. You can use as many colors as you want, but remember one thing, that for using any color in a particular part of the design, you have to keep that part of code under the begin path and the close path blocks separate. That's it. Our today's pattern is completed now. Hope you guys have understood whatever I have explained. If you like the video, then let me know through your comments, share it, and don't miss to press the bell icon to get the latest update on my videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.